case clause assign the is pressed to the keys left key of pressed. So keys is an object with a property of left key, and left key has a property of pressed, and we are to assign the is pressed. So first, to assign that, we would have to access the object keys first, and its property left key, and the property of left key, which is the property pressed. And we are to assign the boolean is pressed. So if we read this, we are just actually telling JavaScript that the left key is pressed. We are pressing the left key. And it says below that, add an if statement, and a condition of the parentheses, a condition, so we write a parenthesis, and a curly braces for our if. And the condition would be if the x velocity is equal to 0, of course we write the strictly operator, and assign the x velocity player to velocity of x. So we would actually have to write this first before this one, because we are assigning x velocity to the velocity x of the player. So we write the player and its velocity, and that velocity would be the x, and assign it to the x velocity. So we are assigning the x velocity to the velocity x of the player, which actually indicates we are able to control the player's movement on the on the x axis. So if we add, to the finish break touch, we are done.